Welcome to Kitty Creations! Hello, kiddos! Today we're going to make a super fun drawing. So grab your sketchbook and colors and let's get started! Light green.
The bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2. Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock.
Light pink.
Tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. The dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee.
Orange.
Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. The bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran.
Wow, that was such a fun drawing. If you enjoyed it, we'll see you in the next video with another fun idea. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye, kiddos.